A friend reached out to me, Tobi. The company I work for needs a system that logs their daily repair operation and help clients track their repair digitally. The admin also needs to see which staff received the device, who diagnosed it, who repaired it, who tested it, who confirmed payment, and who released it back to the owner. I said say no more. Before this, a phone comes in, someone scribbled it down. If a client called asking, is it ready? Someone had to flip through pages to find out. And if something went wrong, a dispute or a missing part, there was no real way to know who actually touched the phone. So after a lot of calls to nail down exactly what they needed, I got to work. First, I split the system into 3 roles. The admin manages every staff account, sees every job in the shop, and has full oversight of who's doing what. Staff logs in with their own ID issued by the admin, which is never self-created, logs new repair, move jobs through each stages, and record payments as they come in. Logging a new repair takes under a minute. Clients' details, devices, issues, parts, checklists. What used to be handwritten is now permanent and searchable. Here's the part that actually solved the problem. As a job moves, received, diagnosed, repairing, testing, ready, collected, every stage is stamped with the staff ID and a time, not just someone updated this. And because different staffs often handle different parts of one repair, the trail never breaks. One person diagnoses it, hands it off, someone else's repairs it, someone else's tests it. Open any job and you will see exactly who did what in the right order. No more who took this phone in. The moment a job is logged, a private tracking link is generated. No login needed. If the client gives an email, it is sent automatically. They open it on their phone and they would see exactly where the repair stands, plus what they paid and what is left. And the admin sees everything rolled up in one place. Every job can be filtered by dates, exportable to Excel in one click. What used to be a notebook that could be lost or misread is now something that lives on every staff's member phone, backed up and impossible to argue with. Every job has a name on every steps. Every client can check their own progress, and the business owner can see at a glance exactly what's happening across their shop. That's what Say No More turned into. If you're running a business and it's still living in paper in this 2026, you need this.